Alright.
Turn the gas on now. Which I'll need to fix that too because that drips a little. Turn the engine back to in there so it doesn't kick back and rip my arm off. Is the choke on? Or oh, that's on. And everything should be bolted up. Half throttle. It's all looking good. Got the throttle linkage hooked up. So, all right. Let's give her a couple pulls and see if she'll go. Give her another pull. Again. Some fine tuning with the idle and stuff, but that's definitely much better because before when you rev it up, it would puff out a whole bunch of black smoke, and I know it's smoking, that's burning a little oil too, but it would puff out a whole bunch of black smoke, and then it would start to surge because it was running too lean. So you let down on the throttle, and then you pull back up again, and it would puff out all the black smoke because it's getting too much fuel, and then it would start to run lean, and then it would surge. So that's actually the problem that we had with this. It's not doing that anymore. It's just we need a few idle issues to work out, but we'll do fine tuning tomorrow and stuff. So turned out to be the problem. Let me just bring the camera over and I'll show you guys what you do. So if an engine sputters and pops and well sputters, that means you're running too rich. So you got to turn that clockwise, that little needle in the bottom clockwise, and when it runs to lean, meaning it surges. This actually kind of surges a little funny, but when it surges like up and down, when it revs up and down, you got to pull that out a little bit. And then your idle is right there. And then it's probably your low speed up here, that little needle there. That turn that out. You do the same thing for the low speed. If it runs too rich on low speed, you just turn it in. If it runs too rich on high speed, well, if it runs too lean on low speed, you pull it out. So, I don't know. I may make another video on how to do that, but that's how you take apart the carburetor and clean that up real well. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And rate, comment, and subscribe.